the one and only songbird of the West, Miss Cameo Kate.
goes on backstage. You know, a lot of folks believe that we thespians of the theater lead such glamorous and thrilling lives. Well, you know what? They're right. Thank you, ladies.
You're welcome, Miss Kate.
So, what do you think of this? All right. Paris, Texas, USA. It is lovely. Oh, and of course, this gorgeous feather boa made up of 100 of the finest African ostriches.
Got it.
So, ladies, do you know what the difficulty is between balancing love, life, and the glitzy, opulent life upon the wicked stage? It's trying to find the right man. Oh, now I'm not saying there's a shortage of men around here in Calico. In fact, I'd say there's about 10 men to every one gal here in town. The trouble comes when you're trying to find that one right man. Am I right?
I've been here the whole time. Walking
Oh, no. You know, I thought I found that Mr. Right of mine. Oh, yes. Well, he was everything I had dreamed of. He was tall, he was dark, he was handsome, he was alive. But, you know, he also had a wandering eye. You know the type. Of course, I'm probably getting a bit ahead of myself. Hey, Pete!
Yes, Miss Kate.
You wouldn't mind giving me a little walk along that baseline while I spin the tale of my relationship woe?
Whoa. Okay. Yes. Hello.
Here is a story about a gal. Folks call her Torchy Tess because she trusted. Her heart got busted. Love made her life a mess. It evidently was an awful blow. For this is word for word poor Tess's tale. I had a man. He was a good man. That is, you see, what I mean is I thought he was a good man. I had a friend. He was a good friend. I told my friend about my friend 'cause I thought she was a good friend.
Sure thing, Miss Kate.
We gotta get moving on with the show. You know, folks, they say good help is hard to find, but these two boys, they are the best in the biz. Well, they can move a set quicker than you can say in apple pie order. Oh, hey, how we doing, boys?
We're all set, Miss Kate.
Well, all right.